So here it is, finished bag. All done. Magnetic clasp on the back. Little handmade button. I've included a little tassel I've made. That's my zip under there. A handmade label. He also included a little drop-in zip pocket in there as well. There's also a little for key rings, so you don't lose your keys in the bottom of your handbag. I personally I wasn't too keen on how the bag gapped at the top, so I included some cam pops here, because the bag shape is actually more like this. And then you pop that in there. So you can see it's the sides stick out more, whereas with the poppers gives it a nice sort of shape rather than squared shape. It sort of brings it in a bit more. But yeah, that's it. Finished bag, all done. Yay!